born on 13th Feb 1879 in a Bengal family in Hyderabad. Chattopadhyay was educated in Madras, London and Cambridge. Following her time in England, where she worked as a suffragist, she was drawn to Indian National Congress movement for India's independence from the British rule. She became a part of Indian nationalist movement and became a follower of Mahatma Gandhi and his idea of Swaraj. She married Govindraju Naidu, a general physician, in 1898. Appointed as the President of Indian National Congress in 1925 and later became the Governor of United Provinces in 1947, becoming the first woman to hold the office of Governor in Dominion of India. Naidu's poetry includes both children poems and other written on more serious themes including patriotism, romance and tragedy. Published in 1912 in the Bazaar of Hyderabad, remain one of her most popular poems. She died of a cardiac arrest on 2nd March 1949.
Who was an Indian political activist and poet, a proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation and anti-imperialistic ideas. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence for colonial rule. Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet the Nightingale of India or Bharat Kokila by Mahatma Gandhi because of color, imagery and lyrical quality of her poetry.
The famous poem of Sarojini Naidu is Bengal Sailor. Bengal sailors are we who hear our shining lords to the temple fair. Who will buy these delicate lights, rainbow tinted circles of light, lustrous token and radiant lights for happy daughters and happy wives. Some are meant for maiden's wrist, silver and blue are the maiden wrist. Some are flushed like the birds that dream on the tranquil brow of a woodland stream. Some are aglow with the bloom of leaves to the limpid glory of newborn leaves. Some are like fields of sunlit corn, meet for a bride on the bridal morn. Some are like fields of sunlight corn, meet for a bride on her bridal morn. Some like the flame of her marriage, or the rich with the hue of heart's desire, tinkling, luminous, tender and clear, like her bridal laughter and bridal tear. Some are purple and gold flecked grey, for she who has journeyed through life midway, whose hands have cherished, whose love has blessed, and cradled for fair sons on her faithful breast, and sews her household in fruitful pride, and worships a God at her husband's side. Thank you.
सरोजनी नायडू की कविता बदलता हूँ के कुछ अंश, मैं सोच भी बदलता हूँ, मैं नज़रिया भी बदलता हूँ। मिले ना मंजिल मुझे तो मैं उसे पाने का ज़रिया भी बदलता हूँ। बदलता नहीं अगर कुछ तो मैं लक्ष्य नहीं बदलता हूँ, उसे पाने का पक्ष नहीं बदलता।